Okay. Good afternoon, class. At this point, you guys have written a class test. Alright. As I said, the sounds of it, you guys are ready for your exam. But you guys disagree completely. Not even close. Okay. That's a sign for you. You guys must now. You're writing in 2 weeks' time, so don't waste your time. Yes, you cycle test. Yeah. Right, here we go. Listen, we are busy with sine, cos, and area rule. Okay. You're on exercise 10.3. Right. You had to do number 6 and 7. Okay, what did you have to do out of exercise 10.3? Even numbers. Right. Number 4. Number 2. Any issues there? No problem with issue number 2. Number 4. Where's number 4? Number 4 is here. Any issues with number 4? No? Number 6. Any issues with number 6, people? No issues with number 6. Number 7, 8? No? Number 10? No. Then we went on to the ambiguous case. Now the ambiguous case is applicable when it is given that the shorter side is opposite the given angle. The shorter side is opposite the given angle is the ambiguous case, which will result in you doing 2 calculations for the given angle. The angle can either be obtuse or acute. Acute means to say it's in the first quadrant, obtuse means to say it's in the second quadrant. Okay. So let's look at the ambiguous case. You have to do exercise 10.4. You have to do the whole exercise. Huh? Any issues with number 1? C. 1C. Okay. Let's just take this down. This is exercise 10.3. No? Which is 10.4. 10.4. This is on page 345. Okay. C. So the question says in triangle DEF. So I just draw the triangle DEF. DF is 7.3 centimeters. DE is of course 9 centimeters, and angle is 49. Okay, so what do you notice? The given angle is opposite the shorter side. So the ambiguous case is applicable. Yes. Between 9 and 7.3, what is shorter?
But what about E?
We don't know E. That's why we have to do the ambiguous. Sorry? Yeah. So if this was 4.9 over 9 and DF was 9, in the ambiguous case not applicable. Both is going to be the sign. The ambiguous case is on the sign rule. Okay? What does what the ambiguous case entail is that that diagram can be drawn with an obtuse angle in it, and it can be drawn using 3 acute angles.
So then in that case you can have 2 different hyperbolas.
Yes. Here we go. So let's go with the we set this up quickly. We're going to say that sine E over F is equal to sine F over DE equals sine of D over EF. What's the question to solve the triangle? Alright. So it's simply going to be sine of E, which is 49 over 7.3 is equal to sine of F over 9, which is equal to sine of D over EF. So we can calculate F at this stage. Not so. So we say 9 sine 49 is equal to 7.3 sine F. So to get sine F on its own, I divide by 7.3. So F could be, the angle F could be one of two. As we indicated, I think the ambiguous case is evident here from the given information. So we say arc sine of 9 sine 49 over 7.3. 68,5. 1. Did it say to one decimal place? No? Huh? No? So it's going to be 68,51. So that's the acute angle it can be, or 180 minus that angle, which is 111,49. Okay. So if it is, let's say, 68,51, so if it is that one, the new triangle looks like that. If E is 49, 9 and D, and 7. I got if, and if was through the triangle wrong. That actually belongs to if. So again, so I'm going to put it in here, 68,5. So I can work out D. So what is angle D? 180 minus 49 minus 68,5, which is 180 minus 49. You guys are quiet after that test. What's going on? 90,5, 1. No? So now I got D, which is 19,51. So can we calculate EF now? Yes. So I'm going with that one there. That one there. You all okay with that? Yes. Not 90. Yep. Not, can't be too small. What's it? 60? 62,49. How did I get it? I said 180 minus 49 minus answer. Oh, I see. So in actual fact I was working down this branch here. Okay, sorry about that. So that's going to give you 68.51. So it gives you 62,49. No? 62.49 degrees. 62.49. Cross multiply. So it simply gives us sine 49 over 7.3 equals sine of 62,49 over EF. So of course we cross multiply. So EF sine 49 is equal to 7.3 sine of 62.49 divided by sine of 49 both sides. Even if you can do that in your head, it's fine. If you can't, we write it out. So it's going to be 7.3 sine answer over sine of 49. Your 8,5, 8. 8,58 centimeters. Okay, you all agree with that? You all understand? If I go with the other, with the obtuse angle, we go the obtuse angle root. Is that there? Pull this out here. That out. So that is now 111,49. So how do I get angle D now? Again, same story. 180 minus 111,49 minus 69. And that was the answer I got earlier on, which was? 30? 19,51. Is that correct? Minus 49. 19,51 is correct. So there goes 19, what's wrong? Friend, what's going on?
They're rushing into me.
Sorry? They're laughing at you. What's wrong with you?
I don't know, sir. Ask
Sorry?
I don't know, sir. They were laughing at me. I don't know.
Who's laughing at you?
He's
Everybody's looking here. I think you're seeing things.
So you didn't hear them?
I'm hearing you. Okay, it's fine. Huh? Now this raptor, huh? She needs to know what's going on here. Alright, so let's go. It's going to be sine of 49 over 7.3 is equal to sine of 19,51 over EF. And I can calculate EF. So EF will simply be, that's staying here, let's go now. So 7.3 sine 19.5, which is the answer calculated, over sine of 49. Gives us 3,23. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay. Is it the closest curtain here? Alright, any issues here, people? Nothing at this point? Okay, so who asked this question? Kelsey? Oh, you? Yes? You understand now? Okay. Any issues with D? D is the same as if you had a problem, it's the same as this one. Alright. Number 2. A. B. 3A. And sorry, 3. What is this here? Number 2. 2A. B. C. D. Number 3. Number 4. 5. That's it. Then we went on to the cosine rule, the cos rule. No? Spoke about the cos rule, we did a couple examples and we did a sum from the exercise, I think, as well. No? Is that correct? No. Yes. So we did the 2 examples. No? Then in the exercise 10 you had to do 10.5 you had to do number 2. Okay, just hang on. You had to do number 2 and 4. Right. Any problems with number 2? 2. Okay. This is exercise 10.5 on page 352. 10.5 on page 352. Number 2A. Okay. I'm going to put the 2 there. Alright, so in triangle ABC, so we just draw the triangle ABC. Angle A, length AC is 9, AC is 9, AB is 8. No 5. So when you want to work a bit faster. Triangle ABC. AC is 9, AB is 5, angle A is 65. The question says, what does the question say? Solve the triangle. In other words, you must calculate all the unknown angles and all the unknown sides. So looking at this here, we have two lengths and included angles. So what can be calculated first? The other side, which is BC. Not so. Which rule? Sin rule or cos rule? Cos rule. Why? Because we have two lengths and included angle. So it's going to be BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared minus 2 times AB times AC cos of angle. That would simply be 5 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 5 times 9 cos of angle 61. So BC works out to be 5 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 5 times 9 cos of 65. The square root thereof is your 8,24 centimeters. Okay. So now I can calculate, of course, angle B or angle C. Why? Because I have an angle and two sides. So which rule am I going to use there? Of course the sine rule is easier to work with. So we say sine of angle B over AC is equal to sine of angle A over BC equals sine of angle C over AB. So sine of B over 9 equals sine of 65 over 8,24, which is equal to sine of C, if you want me to write it down, sine of C over 5. I didn't need to write that because at this point I can already see I can calculate. I can actually calculate, what's the name of this point? I can calculate angle B. Can you see that, people? So what you do is you cross multiply. So sine of B times 8,24, which I'm going to divide it again by. It's going to be 9 sine 65 over 8,2. You all agree with that? Any confusion here? No? So we go arc sine. You get the angle B on this one. Would this be an ambiguous case here? No? Okay. If you're going to apply the cos rule first, then the ambiguous case won't be applicable. Okay. So you won't get an obtuse angle from it. Alright, it will be straight. If it's obtuse, it will be in the calculation obtuse, otherwise it will when you go with sum of triangle. Okay. So this should be arc sine of 9 over 9 times sine 65. That's over 8.24. Okay. Give an angle of 81,85. 81,85. You guys understand? So I'm going to calculate. So now we got this to be 81,85. So how do you think you're going to calculate C? You're going to use the sine rule. You all agree with that? You sure? Sine of triangles is easier. Not so. So angle C is going to be 180 minus 81,85 minus 65. So it's 180 minus 81,85 minus 65 gives us 33,15. 3,15. Okay. Any confusion there? Who asked this question? Where did you go wrong, me?
Sir, the answer in textbook, angle B is 1,5.
81,5. And you got 81,85. You got the same answer I got. Who else got this answer I got? Who got the answer in the textbook? Of 81,5? Nobody? Yes, it might be the textbook, isn't it? You see, if we're going to go with 81,5, you see what they're not wrong actually. You know what they did? They don't use, we use the answer button here. Can you see it? That's the issue. If I'm going to say, we cross multiply here, that was arc sine of, I'm doing this calculation here. No? Arc sine of 9 sine 65 over 8.24. Here they got 81 comma. No, they don't. It's the same as we have. Or if they use one decimal place, still not. Yes.
I've got this Thompson, what I did was, I did oxide.
Yeah?
5 sine 65 over 8.2.
You use 8,2,
Yeah.
which I used as well. But I'm getting 84,11.
No, not 5 sine 65, 5.
You wrote 5 sine. So you in sine 65 over 5, over 5.
No, I used 65 and then I did sine C over 5.
So you calculated C first.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
So you calculate C first and you got that answer like that.
yeah.
Okay, so do with which route you follow. Okay. Because it's approximation, man. That's all. Alright. That is 2A. Any problems with the rest of 2? Did you have to do number 3? Number 4? What in number 4 did you have to do? A and C. Any problems with number 4A?
4A, yes, sir.
Sorry?
4A, sir.
You had to do 4A.
No.
I would never say 4A because we haven't done the section. B. 4B. Any issues with 4B? 4D? Did I ask you to do C? Any problems here?
Yes.
You had to do the cos rule first. Who had a problem with 4C? Who's me? Goliath? Work out the cos rule for DF, making DF the subject of the formula. Yes. So you did do that.
Yes, sir.
Right. So read me what you have there.
Like from the beginning, O.
Yeah, from the beginning.
E squared is equal to
E squared is equal to
X squared
F squared
plus D squared.
plus D squared minus 2FD is cos of E. Right, carry on.
And 3 squared plus 4 squared.
3 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 3 times 4 cos of 28. So what did you get?
And then D squared is equal to 3.91.
Just hang on. The 3 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 3 times 4 cos 28.
So 288.
288. 28. Okay, sorry. 3,81, yes, the square root thereof. 1,95. Huh? That's what you have.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1,95. Right, carry on.
And the sine
So sine rule. So sine rule would simply give us, so that is 1,95. So it's going to be sine of 28 over 1,95 is equal to sine x over 4. You all agree with that? Which is equal to sine of f over 3, if needed.
Yes, sir.
So you cross multiply. So sine x and times 1,95 is equal to 4 sine 28. Divide by 1,95 both sides. So you go. Okay, so you got 4 sine 28 over 1,95. You got that? Arc sine thereof. Arc sine. You see, ambiguous case is not going to apply here. Because the smallest angle, of course, is not opposite the 71 comma.
Yeah, but the textbook.
The textbook has a different answer.
Yes, sir. So I know. I should write it off the E to 2. Yes. And it changes the whole answer and it gives you the textbook answer.
So, what's the textbook's answer?
69.
69,9. It seems to be quite far from here. No? But because the lengths are small, you see 3, 4 and 1,9, the lengths are very small. Not so. So, in terms of units, if that was, they are fairly close, in other words. So, if they used, just check here. So you're saying they used, not answer, but they used 1,95.
No. They used 2.
Huh?
They used 2.
They used 2. Why would they do that?
Isn't it like
Oh yes, yeah. If you don't round off within a sum. But if you look here, that was the answer. And that is why they went. If they go at that point there, being one decimal place, and then they will go with 2 again. Can you see that? So in the exam, we will accept both. Okay. We must nice people, man. We just want you to pass and do well and all of those things, no? Why don't you sound convinced? Sorry? Yeah, both in grade 12. Yeah. You see, I shouldn't be telling you this, but there's one, when we mark at the end of the year, we penalize you once in the exam for rounding off. Okay? And that's on a particular sum. But after that, we do calculations. We can see clearly, you know what you're doing. So we give it to you. So we're nice. Nice. Yeah. It's just you guys don't want the marks. No?
You guys do us. You don't get it.
What did you say? What did you say, Goliath?
Sorry.
But okay, you guys understand, no? Right, what else did I give you to do? That's it. 2 minutes, okay. You can do 2 sums in that time, okay. Which page are we on?
Page 352.
352. So now we're looking at example 3. Or we're looking now, given 3 sides. Okay, this we'll start with tomorrow. I feel like we don't have homework. That's what that missing feeling is. Okay, so I must give you extra work. Okay. Alright, people enjoy the rest of your day. Afternoon. Sorry? You know, I feel bad now that you don't have homework.